Hey everybody, this is Joe's Premium Firewood, coming to you live on Monday, April 22nd, 2024. I'm out here in Hickory Haven, where I just got an order from a new customer, and they're going to take green hickory. I got the King of Firewood helping me. We're going to use his truck because his truck can take the weight better than my truck, and there's nothing light about hickory. And so we're going to be splitting this and getting it full. I got a half cord I got to deliver up to Grand Rapids. I talked to the guy last night. He's ready to go on it. And then I got another new restaurant customer to deliver to tomorrow, but my truck can handle that because it's just a Joe cord and it's dry stuff. But hickory is so darn heavy. It's so darn heavy that you need at least a 3/4 ton. I've moved half cords in my truck before, but you know, it's usually dry, ready to burn, you know, ash or whatever. But hickory is very heavy. Been a while since you've seen the King work. I guess he's going to start staging them over there. I guess I can start splitting this. But I had to bring a maul down here just in case. We'll probably have to hit that. Yeah, hit it. No, this is a different new customer. Here we go. This is basically the same tree like that I split in yesterday's live stream. And I believe it's bitternut hickory. You know, I guess I could have used the trailer. But you know, this is my first delivery to them. I don't know what the situation is. He says it's easy, but until I see it with my own eyes, I'm gonna go. We can fit. I can fit a half cord in my truck, but it has to be stacked. With his 8-foot truck bed, we could just throw it in there. That one's a little big, but it's got those knots in it. But like I say, I'm not sure what size they want it. I'm just going to make it like regular wood. I guess the restaurant is going to be opening in June. That's a scheduled day, or date. But they're getting a brand new smoker in on Wednesday. They want to start priming it. Here, I'll let you split while I throw it. Are you ready to split? I guess he wants, like I say, wants to stage them over here. You know how Mike and I work together, teamwork. But it does go a lot faster if you got one guy splitting, one guy throwing. Make sure you smash that thumbs up. You watching, Billy Otis? Make sure I take my union brakes. It's getting close to 60 degrees. I think my hoodie's going to be coming off here shortly. Now, there's quite a bit of limwood in there, but that's okay. Don't need to be split. King ain't playing games. I could have, I thought about getting Mike, but King needs some money. Truck's almost out of diesel, so I'm going to put some diesel in there to make sure we can make it up there for him. And then I pay him the rest in cash. I think I looked at this as a 37-mile one-way trip. It's going to take about 45 minutes to get up there at least, and I know I know that we might run into some road construction. So the guy wants us this afternoon. I'm hoping he has time to have his bean counters get a check made for me. I don't want to have to sit and wait all day once this is split. I sent him a text this morning, gave him all the information he's going to need. Some of these are heavy. Might let him do those. Here, that dark wood, that's what has the best flavor. At least that's what I've heard. Called Nate last night and said, hold on to your hickory for me. I guess they've already processed some of it and stored it in the corn crib. I said, yeah, the guy's talking high volume, but we'll see. We'll see how it actually turns out. Got the gnats flying all around me right now. Hopefully I don't end up eating them. You know how they like to fly in your mouth. This half cord, I don't know, with us working together, should only take about 45 minutes at the most. And then tomorrow I've already I got it scheduled to deliver Joe cord for a pizza oven customer. And they're also in Grand Rapids. So 2 deliveries already on the schedule. This is the first one, which is good because I only had 2 deliveries all of last week. You're not going to believe what I'm charging for this. You're probably going to say I'm ripping them off. But I told him for half cord, $300 just for the wood. And then for delivery and stacking is going to be another $120. So $420 for half cord of hickory delivered and stacked. But you gotta remember, I paid Nate $480 for all this hickory, which is probably about $180 too much. For some reason I was looking at how much was in the dump trailers wrong. I way overestimated it. You know, I mean, I'll get my money back, maybe make $100 bucks, but that's not really a good margin. You know, if I spend $300, I need to make at least $300, especially if it's not split. I'm not trying to be greedy. You ready? Oh. Nice looking stuff though, isn't it? Nate told me, he said they came across some hickory. It was real difficult to split. And I said, I've been there, done that. Been there. There easily is a half cord here on the ground. Probably about 2 face cords of it. But I'm going to need some of it to finished filling the rack that I was loading up yesterday. Double barrel there. That one's gonna be a little tough to split. But to get a half quart in here, it has to be a heap thrown in load. So hopefully it doesn't take them too long to cut me a check. If it was up to me, I would have been up there. We'd be getting up there right about now. Looks like this is a branch that broke when it hit the ground. The team's going to be driving up there. I'll be the navigator. Hopefully don't run into too much road construction. Will Gal ever show up? What about you, Tim Willock? There's your buddy Kent Miller. I know when I first started supplying City Barbecue, they brought them, I think, 4 Joe cords. They're at like maximum capacity, and like, you know, they had all brand new ovens, and then like within a month they said, yeah, we need more, and I'm like, what? Yeah, well, they had to prime the ovens or whatever, get that smoke smell in there, so they were running all the ovens at capacity 24/7, and this guy might have to do that too. I guess it's going to be a pretty awesome place. You know, it said it's going to be like 2 stories. It's going to be a huge bar. So once they're up and running in June, I told them I would give them a discount at barter for food. Yeah, he's going to take over here in a second. I'm going to take off my hoodie. It's too warm for it today. Yeah, what he's got over here is pretty close to what we're going to need. Might need a little, have to grab a little bit more. It's going to really suck. You know, I wanted to verify with them this morning, and I never got a text back. Have them say, oh, we're changing our minds, we found somebody cheaper, and then we're going to have to stack this over there, and he ain't going to be happy about that. So, but The worst thing would be driving up there and having them change their mind. But hopefully when we're done loading and done with the video, I get on there and I can't check my phone now because my phone's right there. That it? Is that all the limbwood? Loading all that limbwood up. And we get to fill in some of the corners. You can see them back there. Yeah. All right. If you could take over, I'm gonna take off this hoodie. Do that real quick. In there and help them. Oh, got 28 watching. Hit that thumbs up. Oh, Randy Clay's here. That's the king, Randy. King's back to work. Remembers how to run the splitter. Hey, you notice how it sits up higher? Yeah, I didn't put a log under there, you know, like you like.
Oh, yeah.
I had Ted change the height on that, so you know it raised it up.
Yeah, it's
so much better.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's not angled down and everything's falling off the end.
Like it's made for a tall person.
Right, right.
Some people got it made.
Yeah. Well, happy Earth Day. Happy Earth Day as we cut up a tree. But the tree was logged. The tree was logged, and you know, the tops would just be sitting in the woods. It's just the top of a hickory tree that John had logged. I guess they don't have as much hickory as I thought they did. You know, I talked to Nate last night. And so I talked to Scotty. He's got a hickory tree that fell in his wood. The top broke off. So he's gonna, I told him to get it manageable for me, set it aside, and I'll pick it up next time I'm down in Kalamazoo. doing that all the time too, though. Yeah, just can't have too much on there, you know.
That was a deer tick.
Yeah, I've been finding a lot of ticks lately on our cast.
I'm running through the splitter.
Been a while since he's helped me with the delivery. Well, actually, we did one back, I think it was in February. Had the wheelbarrow. And it was kind of a pain, so I had him do it. Our half cord to get my $420 check. Goes faster, we got stage right up here in the front. Got that knot in there making it difficult for us. Get that in there. Yeah, we've got just about a face cord in there right now. We need a half cord. I'll let you know when there's a Joe cord in there. One popper's coming. I love it though when they can take green wood. I told them I can't dry it fast enough because they're going to be going through this much. But it shouldn't matter with the oven they got. Here, I got half one over here. You guys can see that. Got this. How we doing, folks? This is the original JPF 18. How the JPF 8 team's me and Mike, or we're the 8 plus team. Me and Mike. If it's me, Mike and the King, that's the dream, the JPF dream team. Like this. I do need more carpet customers, but remember they're going to tax me, so they're going to hit me with 1099. So that's all I gotta justify my price. Much better than having to stack it like I did yesterday. Going right into the truck, but this is the way I like to do it. So efficient. You watching, Daryl? Daryl's watching New Jersey. Produces more smoke than if it was a season. I'm just gonna have to go like that. Not even try to hit. What size he's looking for. It's basically the standard size JPF. Speaking of JPF, looks like we got about a Joe cord in here now. We're at a Joe cord. Gotta keep going to get that half quarter. Another naughty one. Trying not to get any boiler wood out of it. Bring that up there. King's getting paid 120. That was split liver stack in his truck. Stringy on me. That one. Yeah, my truck wouldn't be liking me if I put all this big green hickory in there. You know, the half cord probably over 2,000 pounds. I'm gonna have that much inside of my truck. Once I see how it is, I can, if he's not available to help me again on the next order, I can use the trailer as long as it's easy to back up in there. You get those big ones, because I don't have to pick them up. You're stronger than me. Those two big ones might do it. Want to be light. Get that 12-foot by 4-foot stack. Take a picture of it, post it when we're done. Probably about 20 pounds when I'm holding right now. It's about 30 pounds right here. Got him over to me. We're just about there. Well, that's saying that, but it's coming. Make Grab 2 little ones to split in half, we'll call it. There we go. There, half. Remember, folks, he's got an 8-foot bed. He's got an 8-foot bed. We got 39 watching. I'll let you see it. There it is. What do you think? What do you think? Half cord. Remember, 8 foot by 5 foot. All 100% hickory. I think it's a good looking load. So, alright folks. Just want to say thanks to everybody for watching. Thanks to everybody who hit a thumbs up, watched it from start to finish. Thanks for sharing it. We got to go get this delivered. I got to get paid. I got to pay him. So we're going to hit the road. So thanks again. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.